everyone. So last week on vacation, as always, we packed our dry shampoo and we were dry shampooing most days. But I had this moment where I watched my friends apply their dry shampoo, and I'm not making fun of them. I love them to death. My sister was actually one of them. And instead of sectioning the hair and applying it correctly, they literally just took the bottle and sprayed it all over their entire head. Now, that can technically kind of work, but you're not going to see the best results where the grease really collects, which is at your roots. Like, you're not getting to the roots when you're spraying your entire head. And the ends of your hair shouldn't be that greasy anyways, in which case, if they are, you should probably just wash your hair and call it quits, you know? But anyways, I'm going to walk you through it today. The dry shampoo that I like to use is the Kenra Volumizing dry shampoo. They have another one that's just regular dry shampoo, not volumizing. It's good. I prefer this one. I think it works a lot better. And as you can see, it says Volume 25's best friend, and that is my favorite hairspray to use too. So first off, while our hair is down, I'm gonna brush through it. Make sure I get all the knots out. And then I'm gonna shake my dry shampoo can, because you're always supposed to shake it a little bit. And so based off of where I part my hair, I don't want to spray it right on my part because my hair's so dark, I could get a little bit of white residue. I don't notice it much with this brand, but just in case, don't spray directly where you're parting your hair. So my nails really help me in this instant because it's super easy to part my hair with them. But I'm gonna make a small section and I'm gonna spray, not too close to my hair, but I'm gonna spray by section and really target the roots. Also, this dry shampoo smells awesome. I'm gonna make sure I get the back as well. So now that I've applied pretty much in the horseshoe shaped area of my head, I don't really need to get the back, just kind of targeting the top. I'm gonna take my shine brush. This is not old hair. This is actually boar bristles inside a wet brush, which is called the shine brush. And I'm gonna brush through my hair, not comb, to disperse the product to the ends should I need it there, which I really don't. But this also just helps spread it evenly in case you applied it any areas where it really clung to and there was too much. And the boar bristles help spread it more than just a regular bristle brush would. All right, so that is how you apply dry shampoo. It's that easy.